Hello guys, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. मैं देहरादून से हूँ और मुझे ये रियलाइज है यहाँ पोएट्री करते करते कि कुछ टाइम बाद ना हम सब अलग अलग रास्ते में चले जाएंगे, कोई सेपरेशन आ जाएगी। तो मेरे पास दो छोटी पोएम्स है इंग्लिश में जो सेपरेशन पे बात करती है। एक वो कि जब हमें कोई छोड़ के जाते तब कैसा लगता है, और एक वो जब हम किसी को छोड़ते हैं तो हमें ऐसा सोचना चाहिए। तो मैं पहली वाली गाता हूँ जब हमें कोई छोड़ के जाता है। What have you learned from separation? Do you think you have done enough preparation? What if it's time, it's not against your will? Are you ready for the drill? And remember, those judgments will be passed. They are also lawyers for themselves you can't pass. But do they really know the story? Or just a perception based on their senses, which in a fury tell you what they think? And you, with just a blink, accept and say, I accept my Lord, without any hesitation or discord, perhaps because you don't want your story to be known. You still with a smile see separation which is not shown, a way to be prepared to stay at the end all alone. Thank you. और ये जो अगली वाली है ये बताती है कि हमने भी तो कभी किसी का हाथ छोड़ा ही होगा ना, हम निकल गए होंगे आगे किसी भी। तो ये उसी चीज़ को दर्शाती है कि जब आपने कभी किसी का हाथ छोड़ा हो आगे बढ़े तो क्या होगा। Did you leave a hand and go away? And now you look at with nothing to say, the shame of doing it if you don't want to talk about, and now you're on a scout to see if there's anything that can be done just to make the villain superior. You know the act was so inferior. And I ask you always, and you try to rub it off, was that hand in need when you called it off? Your sense and space is so important, no doubt. But maybe a life was there on a lookout to climb a ladder of serenity. And now, when you see that flashback, you get an emotional attack. It may be a picture that's only in existence. Forget the hand, you might never see that face that was supposed to be told. Hang on, be persistent. Do you know, now just sit quiet and question about the deep done. Do you now just sit quiet and question about the deed done when you were on the run? What if an apology is also a few clicks away? But you feel that today it's not the day. So full from within that it makes me feel small. Just asking myself, was it just another relationship after all? Thank you. Thank you.